Hello viewers, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to beat the first 3 levels in Blocky games. If you guys have never heard of what they call Blocky games, it is like a platform where you go so that you can code a character to move or do various type of things, just like the way Scratch uses block-based coding. So the ones I'm about to show you require block-based coding. So if you want to launch the Blocky games, you need to go to any web browser of your choice, like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. For this video, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So whenever you get to any web browser, you search for Blocky games. Then when you click enter, you will see this first link that pops up over here. So when you click on it, it now takes you all the way over to this Blocky games menu where you can see various types of things. For most of you guys, it wouldn't be showing you all these green arrows just because of I've started and already done some of the data here. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different menus in this Blocky games tab. So I think we should start with the first one. Let's try and complete the puzzle method. So we click on it, then it now gives us what we are meant to do. For each animal which is the green with its name, attach its picture, choose its number of legs, and make a stack of its traits. That sounds simple enough. Let's try that out. So first, let's do the duck. So first we need to find an image of the duck. Click that over here where they said picture. Then we need to find how many legs the ducks have. So over here we can choose how many legs ducks have, which is 2. Then traits, what a duck is known for. So let's find what a duck is known for over here. But before we do that, let's finish making the other one. So the cat, first we need to find a picture of the cat and choose how many legs the cat has, which is 4. A bee, choose a picture of the bee and choose how many legs, which is 6. Then a snail, choose the picture of a snail and choose how many legs, which is 0. So now we can put all these traits. So a shell should go for the snail, stinger should go for the bee, whiskers should go for the cat, fur should also go for the cat, feathers should go for the duck, honey should go for the bee, beak should go for the duck, and finally slime should go for the snail. So when you're done with putting all your blocks inside and coding everything, then we'll click on this red button over here so that it will check our answers. Then if you get it all correct, it will show perfect, all 16 blocks are correct. Then to start moving them around. And then when you click OK, that means you have finished the puzzle parts. So now that we have finished the puzzle parts, let's do the maze. So for this maze, it's just simple to code your sprites how to move. So as you guys can see, I've already completed it before, so let me start over. So as you can see, first things first, we need to make it to move forward. But as you can see, the move forward doesn't take it over all the way, so we'll need double of that to make it move forward faster. So that if we run the program again, it reaches there. So let's explain this a bit. So this move forward, when you click on reset, it will actually run the new code. This move forward, it will only stop it around here. It shouldn't be able to move it forward. So for that, we need to double the code. And then once we click on reset, it will play the new code we added. Then once we run the program, it should take you to the finish line. We'll do up to level 3 so you guys will understand it. Then you guys can go and do how many you like. Then in the next video, we'll continue our levels. So then we'll click OK so we can go to level 2. And level 2, as you guys can see, I've already solved it before. But let's start again. So first things first, before we do anything, we have to make it to move forward. So then once we run the program, it stops here. Then now we have to figure out which side we're turning, left or right. which is left. So now we run the code again. Move forward, turn left, move forward again. So now let's see where that takes us. So now we need to turn right. So move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, and finally we need to move forward again. As you guys can see, this is how we make the code so that it will follow it, and it's easier when you actually read your code. So move forward will take you here, turn left, you turn, then move forward again, turn left, turn right, sorry, then move forward. It's easier when you read your code actually. And then when it touches the finish line, we can move to level 3. So now let's try and solve level 3. Level 3, we only have 2 blocks. As you can see, we only have 2 blocks. But if we put move forward and move forward, for example, it shouldn't even take us anywhere near the stuff. So that's why we have this new block, repeat until do. So this is like the forever block in Scratch. It just keeps on doing it until you give it another command to do. So in this case, it will just keep on moving forward and stop over there. So now that you guys have understood it up to level 3, let's go back and try and solve these levels again and refresh our memory. So the first one is move forward, very simple, but it's not just one, so you have to add an extra one, which will make it to move forward twice. Then the second level is not just move forward, like we said, move forward. When it gets here, we need to turn left, then move forward again, turn right, and move forward. Let's try this code and see. Well, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. And then finally level 3. So now, like I said, if we keep on using move forward, we'll run out of blocks. We only have 2. So then when we run the program, it only takes us around here and they will give you a hint or what to do. So better still, it's best we remove one of these and add this repeat until code, which is like the forever block in Scratch, which makes it to keep on repeating it until you give it a new command. So if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.